In this video, we're going to look at creating a command action using JavaScript. I'm going to start here in Visual Studio Code where I've created a file, whatisdirty.js, that has a simple JavaScript function in it, whatisdirty, that takes the row ID as a parameter, and we'll see how to configure and pass that when we configure the command. But let's just talk a little bit real quickly about what this logic does. For all the attributes on the table that we're currently working with, we get the list of all those attributes. We're going to go through that list of attributes and we're going to check the isDirty flag on each of the attributes to see if somebody's made a change on the form. And then we're going to compose a list of the changed values for all the fields that have changed on the form. It's a simple little JavaScript function, but it'll show the purpose of how we can connect this up to a command button and run the JavaScript from our main form. Let's jump over and connect it all up. The first thing we want to do, we could do this as part of adding the command, or we could do it before by adding the web resource. I'm going to go ahead and add it before by adding a web resource for the JavaScript library. We're going to upload the file, we give it a name, and we'll go ahead and save the web resource. Now we can go over and add our command bar button to the product table. So we'll go ahead and edit the command bar. Choose main form. I'm going to add a new command. Call this whatisdirty. And we want to not run a formula, but we want to run JavaScript. We can look for our library. We don't see it, so we can add our library. Once you've associated it with it, it's available. We'll see it in the list. Go ahead and add it. Now we can give the function that we want to call when the action is invoked. Now you'll notice that you can add parameters. So parameters allow you to pass things from the command to the JavaScript function. So I could pass a string, give it a literal value. Also, there's a number of other ones like Boolean, number. We're going to use the primary first item ID, which will give us the ID of the data row that was currently showing on the form. And you could add additional parameters if you wanted to pass more things in. We'll go ahead and save and publish. And play, load the application. We get notification that there is a new version. Go ahead and refresh. Go into laptop. And we'll just go ahead and change a couple of fields. Select the whatisdirty. We'll get the message with the ID, and then we'll get the list of the changed fields. So that's how easy it is to hook up JavaScript to a command button for a model-driven application.